In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your AI monthly limit in Evernote. If you want to keep track of your AI usage in Evernote, this is a quick and useful setting to know about. It lets you see how many AI requests you've already used, how much of your monthly quota you still have left, and when that limit will reset based on your current plan. To get started, open the Evernote app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon and tap on it. This will take you into your account area, where you can access more personalized settings and features. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled AI Features and tap it. This section contains the controls and information related to Evernote's AI tools, so it's the right place to go if you want to manage or review your usage. After you open AI Features, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Take your time here, since the option you need is located near the end of the menu. Once you reach the bottom, tap Monthly Limit. On this screen, Evernote will show you a clear summary of your AI usage. You'll be able to see how many AI requests you've already used during the current billing period, how many requests you still have remaining, and the date when your monthly limit resets. That reset timing is based on the Evernote plan you're currently using, so it can be helpful to check this if you use AI features often and want to avoid running out before the next reset. And that's all you need to do to view your AI monthly limit in Evernote.